Good afternoon. My name is Sudarshan, and I have just ordered this happiness homeschooling kit from EuroKids for my 2.5-year-old son, who apparently is not very keen on doing any online classes. So I did my research and spoke to a few of my friends, colleagues, and they asked me to just get onto the EuroKids website and have a look at some of the new product that they've launched. And this is what I got from EuroKids, which is a complete offline schooling kit for my 2.5-year-old child. So what I'm going to do is just unbox this product for you all to see what exactly this product contains, this box contains. So this is the way the box comes. Wow, this looks very interesting. There's loads of stuff here. So there's a bag, and what you can see here is a book set. This should be close to around 8 to 10 books is what I can see here for Playgroup. It gives you an advantage for your child to learn at his own time and pace. Okay, so you don't have to make him sit in front of any online class. So that's the advantage what I feel, that's why I opted for this offline schooling kit. Okay, it also comes with 14 kits. This is going to be interesting. There's so much of things for my child to do now. So, okay, this looks like a popcorn bag, but I guess this is not a popcorn. This looks like some words. Yeah, there's some words right here. And it looks like a calendar. Is it a calendar? Oh, it's not a calendar. It's basically some words where I guess the child has to pick up the words and paste it on the calendar. So that's a beautiful thing. Okay. So there's a portfolio book. There's a small plastic folder that comes with this homeschooling kit. So we have one takeaway home. Just keeping it here. Sorry, there's so much of stuff in this box. The space is getting a bit cramped up. There is, what is this? Oh, this is the readiness kit. Maybe last, what I can see here is called as the takeaway kit. So this is very interesting. So since I've already unboxed this whole thing, one of the reasons why I ordered the homeschooling kit is to ensure that my child spends less time accessing any mobile devices or laptop, because we have seen that the child, if he gets onto a mobile or laptop device, they end up spending more time having a screen time. The whole objective is to ensure that we have our child learn things at his own pace and at his own time. And since most of us all working from home, so it gives the parent also enough time and opportunity to plan the child's daily teaching schedule accordingly. Okay, thank you guys.